Namaste little friends, welcome to Know Marriage channel where we celebrate the colors of learning and joy. I am your host Ganesh and today we are diving into the magical world of Holi. देखो देखो, it's that time of the year when we say Holi hai. Are you ready for a splash of colors and lots of fun? Holi is not just a festival, it's a celebration of love, friendship and joy. And the best part, it's all about playing with colors. This year Holi falls on 25 March, so we can't wait to join in these festivities. So let's explore the Holi together. During Holi, we play with water balloons and we throw vibrant colored powders in the air. It's a time when everyone young and old comes together to enjoy the festival of colors. And you know what else makes Holi special? Sweets, gujiyas, laddus, and kandai are some of the delicious treats enjoyed during the festive occasion. Yummy! It's not it. Holi is all about sharing joy and delicious treats with family and friends. So, my little friends, as we gear up for the colorful festive, remember to play safe, share your joy, and spread love. Wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi. Until next time, keep shining like the colors of Holi. Namaste.